So let me just come to deposit and withdrawal records. So withdrawal. So you can see that it was successful, right? So because this platform, they charges 5% when you want to withdraw. Any amount that you want to withdraw, they charge 5%. So I withdrew 222,111 naira. So they credit me 211,005 naira, right? So now let's check the alert. You can see the alert on access, right? So this is 211,005 naira. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun. I teach people what is working for me on this channel, and I will advise you that anytime you watch any video, make sure that you do your own research. At least you be sure that the platform can also work for you, because for the fact that the platform is working for me, something is working for me, that one doesn't mean it's going to work for you as well. So that is why do your own research. So today I want to quickly talk about 86W, that is 86FB. They lose money on it. Well, I don't know anything about that, but what I want to say right here is that the platform is making me money. I'm making money on the platform. If you think you can also make money on the platform, well, go with it. All right, so I'm just revealing it here. I'm not saying anybody should go and invest on the platform, but you know, it's working for me. That is why I'm actually refill it here, because it's working for me. And at least I have done 3 withdrawal on this platform. I have done the first withdrawal was 6,000. The second withdrawal was 200,000. The third one is today, which is 50,000 naira, right? So now there are some things that I think you need to understand on this platform. Yes, it's not that you cannot lose on this platform at all. It's not that you cannot lose on you can lose all your money on the platform, but if you follow the instruction that I give, on this platform, I bet you will not lose a dime. Yes, so now let me quickly go to the platform right now. So this is the platform 86W. You can also call it 86FB. You can see it's a betting site, but what is going on this website is I said it in my previous video that to me is not a betting, but it's actually a betting platform. But what we are doing on this platform, to me, is not a betting, because anything that you are doing that will have like 99.99% is not a gambling. I'm not gambling on this platform, because any money that I put there, I'm very, very sure, 100% sure that I'm going to make that money back with 3% every single day. All right, but it's not that you put the money there and you go and sleep. No, you have to be placing bets on this platform every day. Now anybody can just come to this platform and place bets, just like other betting platform, but the only difference is that the options that is here, other platform did not have it, right? So the platform is using anti-correct score betting model. You know, there are 18 points in a football game, 1 correct score and 17 wrong score. The chance of winning the correct score is 1 out of 18 that correct score. The odds of a wrong score are 17 by 18. So most people predict correct score, but the winning rate is only 5%. But buying the wrong point has a 95% chance of winning. Anti-correct score buy wrong fractions. As long as the purchase score is not the same result, it will be profitable. For example, if we buy 2-1 score, the result of the football match is 3-1. Definitely you win. So if you play, for example, now let me just show you this. So I'm going to log in. All right, so you can see that I just log into the platform right here now. So now let's say I want to play on this Bragaju under 3023, right? So we have different. You can see this is only just correct score. So now if you choose this 0-0, that is, the score will be 0-0. and you place your bet on it. Anybody can just come on ground to play anything right here. So now you choose 0-0, and if they play 0-1, they are going to win. And for example, let's say you stake 3,000, 4,000 multiply 4,000 is going to be 4,000 multiplied by 5.54. So you see, you are going to earn times 5 of whatever that you stake. And if you say the match is going to be 0-1, you are going to earn, if you win, it means you are going to profit multiply by 4.83 multiplied by amount that you stake. But one thing that is here is that if you predict 0-0 and place bet on it, it means the match must not end on 0-0. If the match ends on 0-0, you are going to lose your money. Right? I think you understand what I'm saying. If the match ends on 0-0, you are going to lose your money. So that is exactly what we are doing here. But you come to the group where I belong to, they dish out a game that we're going to choose. They will dish out that game, and when they dish out the game, all you need to do is just to follow it. And since I've been doing it, guys, we lost one time. And when you lose, your capital is not going anywhere. If you follow the information, the group that I belong to, if you follow their instructions, the simple instruction that, okay, this is what you should play. If you play the same way they give it to you, even though that match lose, they are going to refund you. This platform is going to refund you. So that is how this thing is working. That is how it's working. For example, now let me just go to trading and see, maybe I can see the match that we played today. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. We have 1-3 is correct score, and I can see that I stake 164,145 naira. Every time I stake everything that I have. I stake everything that I have, because I know that even though the match lose, I'm going to get a refund of my capital. So definitely I'm rest assured that my money is not going well. I can only make profit. But if you do not belong to the right group, guys, you are going to lose your money. That is just the book's truth. So now, either you call it a scam or anything, I don't know anything about that, but I am making money on this platform every day. Now, let me just show you. Let me just go to where am I going to get that one? I think it's personal center. Okay, I just click on the personal center right here now, so that you see. So I click on withdraw. And see, today is 22nd, today is 3rd of March. So I withdrew 53,000 naira, right? Last time I withdrew 22,000 naira, 222,000 naira. My first withdrawal was 6,000 naira, right? So that is how it's going, guys. That's because I'm making on this blog. That is why I'm making video on it like this. But you can do your research before you invest. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor, so I cannot say, no, go there, you will 100% make money, nothing will happen. No, I'll never say that. It's because I'm making money on it. That is why I'm making a video that maybe you too will try it and make money. And right now, everybody that is on this platform and in the right group, at least I have more than 100 people that come in through me, and all of them are making money every blessed day. Yes, all of them are making money every day. I know that they will be watching video right now. They will be watching video right now, and they are making money every day. Every blessed day, they are making money. So guys, I'm just trying to give you updates about this 86FB platform. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell, so that whenever we drop value content like this, we are going to be getting updates from YouTube. Thank you.